In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for your business step by step, so you can organize your operations, manage tasks, document processes, and even track quick financials, all in one place. Notion is one of the most powerful all-in-one tools for modern businesses, whether you're a solo founder, a small team, or a growing company. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean and functional business operations workspace set up inside Notion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to a new page. This page will act as your central hub. Go ahead and add a title at the top and name it Business Operations. This is going to be the main dashboard where everything connects, so keep it simple and clear. Once your page is created, the next step is to create a table that will help you manage your daily work. Insert a table and add columns for status, email, and values. The status column can be used to track whether tasks are to do, in progress, or completed. The email field is useful for clients, vendors, or internal communication, and the values column can be used for notes, priority levels, or revenue-related information, depending on your business needs. After your table is set up, scroll down and check your daily task list. This is where you'll see individual tasks broken down, so you always know what needs attention today. Click into task number 1 and review it, then move on to task number 2, task number 3, and task number 4. This habit helps you stay focused and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's make your workspace even more powerful by adding documentation. Create a section for Standard Operating Procedures, also known as SOPs. This is where you document repeatable processes in your business, so you or your team can follow the same steps every time. Right below that, create another section called Quick Financials. This area can be used to track basic financial information, like expenses, income snapshots, or simple performance notes without needing a full accounting tool. Now let's visually organize everything so it's easier to scan. Highlight your task list section, click on the menu option, choose color, and apply a green background. This makes your daily tasks stand out immediately. Next, highlight the SOP section, click the menu, select color, and apply a blue background. This helps visually separate your processes from your tasks. Then highlight the Quick Financial section, click the menu again, select color, and choose a pink background. Using different background colors makes your dashboard more intuitive and faster to use every single day. At this point, you've built a simple but powerful business operations dashboard in Notion that includes task management, process documentation, and financial tracking all in one place. This setup can easily be expanded as your business grows, but even this basic structure can save you hours every week. And that's it. You now know how to use Notion for your business. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and business software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.